Hey Techno viewers, are you tired of slow internet and your Wi-Fi is ruining your game? So today we are going to unboxing and reviewing this Cat 6GB high-speed patch cord. A simple cable that could be your fastest upgrade, yet let's see what makes it special, how it works and how to use it for maximum performance. So you are watching Techno Waves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. If you are new here, hit that subscribe so you don't miss the latest gear reviews. So let's get started. Firstly, we will unbox it. Inside the box, we get this Cat 6 high-speed patch cord, neatly coiled and ready to plug and play. About its design and build quality, this cable is of Cat 6, means category 6, built for gigabyte Ethernet speed up to 1000 Mbps and even supports 10 gigabyte speeds over short distance. This cord is of 3 meter of length. This is very flexible and durable. Cat 6 cable with a high bandwidth, high-speed data transfer for server applications, cloud storage and video chatting, online high-definition video streaming and online gaming also. About its specification, it has RJ45 connectors with gold-plated contacts, as you can see, for better conductivity, and has a sangle boots to protect the latch during handling, high quality PVC jacket for durability and flexibility, and bandwidth rating. Available in various lengths for both home and office use. Universal use. Connect PCs, laptops, routers, gaming consoles, smart TVs and NAS servers also. And first of all, now how to use it. Just have a direct connection. Plug one end to your router's LAN port and plug the other end into your PC, laptop or console. So this gives you the most stable connection possible, ideal for online gaming, HD and 4K streaming and video calls also. And if you want tips for best performance, match the cable category to your network gear and also keep cable runs as short as possible and avoid sharp bends or kinks, and ensure your router switch has a gigabyte LAN ports. This Cat 6GB high-speed patch cord is a simple, affordable upgrade that can make a huge difference, especially if you are into a gaming, streaming or transferring large files. If your network supports gigabyte speeds, so this cable will help you unlock them. So like this video if it helped and subscribe for more practical tech reviews.